just got a cigarette and I'm a smoker. Good morning. My life is a mess and today we need to get it back together because I'm having such a hard time being productive because I have so many things that are on my plate right now and I just need to get a whole bunch of stuff checked off my to-do list before I can feel good. It's currently Monday morning, 10:30 a.m. Most of you probably know this by now, but if you don't, I am a graduated girl. I graduated from high school a few weeks ago now, and I feel so relieved. But when my graduation date was getting close, I told myself over and over and over that I was going to be strict with myself and I was gonna come up with a good productive schedule so that I didn't fall into any bad habits, basically. Last week, I was in Florida, and obviously when you're on vacation, it's kind of hard to have good habits, but I've been back home for like 2 days now, and I'm already stressing out about the fact that I'm not being as productive as possible. And I don't mean that in like an unhealthy way. Like, productivity is so good, but it can also be very unhealthy, and I feel like in today's society with like TikTok girlies and Instagram girlies like promoting this super unrealistic like productivity lifestyle of them waking up at like 5 a.m., going to the gym, making themselves a nice breakfast, like getting tons of work done, going on a walk, going to the grocery store. Like, I feel like there's a lot of unhealthy productivity being promoted online, but that is not what this video is. This video is simply me just trying to get myself back into my normal routine. I'm trying to figure out what I want for breakfast. I have 2 avocados, but I don't think they're ready yet. I really want avocado toast. It's kind of mushy.
Oh my gosh, if you have been living under a rock and not following either my Instagram, my TikTok, or following along very closely with my YouTube, you may not know that I have a podcast. Yes, a podcast called Things Could Be Worse, dropping on February 23rd. My 18th birthday. Yes, we are coming into this year with a bang. This podcast has been in the works for over 2 years, and I'm honestly so incredibly excited for it. So I just needed to let all of you know, in case you weren't already aware, tune in on February 23rd to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or even visually on YouTube on the Things Could Be Worse YouTube channel to listen in on my first podcast episode ever. I love you guys and I'm so excited for this new journey.
I have my little journal here. This is basically where I plan out my entire life. However, she is literally falling apart at the seams. I don't know if you can see that. There's like pages falling out. Just, she is on her last days, but it's fine because I literally have like 1 page left in here. So I made a little to-do list last night before I went to bed, just so that when I woke up, I had a very clear idea of what I needed to get done today. Number 1, I have to go to Signorama, I think it's called, to get my podcast decal like sticker thing for like the back of my podcast setup. I don't know if that makes sense. And then I have to go to Planet Fitness and get a gym membership because I have not gone to the gym in probably like a year now, and I'm not proud of that. But I told myself that when I graduated, I would go get a new gym membership. I have to unpack. Like I said, I was just in Florida on vacation and my suitcase is still sitting in my room packed, and I have stuff in there and I need to just put it all away. Going with that, I have to put my laundry away, and then finally I just need to clean my room because after I unpack and all of that, my room is probably gonna be a little bit messy. I think that's all that I have to get done today, and I decided to film this video because whenever I'm filming videos, I get way more done because I feel like I need to do it not just for myself, but for the video and for the content. But I'm gonna make some avocado toast and then probably go upstairs, shower, get all ready for my day, and head to the sign place probably first. Okay, you guys, I had to stop at Starbucks because I'm literally falling asleep. Like, I don't know why I'm so tired. I have not done anything today. And I feel like I got a decent amount of sleep last night. I took my shower and then I don't even know what I did. I've done nothing. And like, I want to like come on here and be like, oh my God, yeah, so since you saw me last, I cleaned my room, I did my laundry. No, I haven't done anything and I feel like crap.
about myself. It's already 12:45, so for the last like hour, I've just been sitting in my room doing nothing. But I decided it's finally time to go get my stuff done. I just needed a coffee because I have zero energy. Like I could literally fall asleep and sleep for like 12 hours right now. Like I mentioned, the first thing that I wanted to do today is to go to this sign place because I want to get like a sticker decal with my podcast name on it for like the background of my podcast, like on the wall, if that makes sense. But my brother is supposed to be coming home tomorrow, I believe, or at least in the next couple of days, and I would really like him to come with me so that we can like measure out where I want it, and then like he can just kind of help me make decisions because I can't really make decisions on my own. I'm so sorry that the camera is like shaking. And then I went online and I was just like looking at the gym that I want to join, and I almost made my account online, but then I was like, maybe I should go actually like physically tour the gym before I just sign up, because like I don't know, if I've never been there, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I don't know, I feel like there's so much to do, but I just don't know how to go about anything. If you've ever signed up for a gym membership before, you know that you can do it online, but then once you go to the gym, they oftentimes have like paperwork for you, and they need to like take your picture, and they'll give you your little like key card like scanner thing to get into the gym. Regardless, I'm gonna need to get that stuff. And then also I'm still 17, and online it says I need a parent waiver, but then it's like I'm gonna be 18 in literally like a week, so I don't know. So I decided to make my gym membership online. I just got done doing that. I'm literally sitting in the parking lot of the gym. I got an email like verifying my like sign up or whatever, and then it says that I need to have my parent come in and sign like the waiver or whatever since I'm not 18. I want to go in there and see if they do like an in-person tour. I would just like be able to walk around and like check stuff out before I like come in to work out for the first time, so I'm not like completely lost. And then also I want to see if I can just grab the waiver, bring it home, have my dad sign it, and then bring it back, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go in there, not gonna film because that's gonna be really awkward, but I'll let you guys know how it goes. I made it home. My experience there was not good. The guy was kind of an asshole. Moral of the story, the waiver isn't physical, it's digital, so my dad's gonna need to go there and sign it himself. As I mentioned earlier, I was gonna ask for a tour and kind of like walk around the place, but the guy was literally just like giving me terrible vibes, so I did not want to like walk around with him as he gave me a tour, and I just wanted to get out of there, to be honest. First experience at the gym, not good, but hopefully once I'm just like working out, it's good. The gym looks nice, whatever. I'm home now. It's significantly later. I just opened a package from Black Bow. I got 3 adorable swimsuits from them. But now it's time to clean my room, and I'm going to put my camera up on time lapse, and I'm going to pop on a podcast, and I'm going to speed clean my room because I just can't look at this mess anymore. These are all the clothes that I washed from vacation. Right when I got home, I popped these all in the washer, and now they're dry and clean, whatever. I have to put those away. And then this is stuff that was packed in my suitcase that I still need to put away. That bin in there is all clean clothes, and just this needs help. This needs desperate help. First step, I grabbed all of my empty hangers because I feel like I'm gonna need a lot to put all of this back in my closet. These are swimsuits. These are bras and underwear that wasn't worn. Look at this adorable little purse I got. I got this at Target before we left for the trip. My phone is gonna die. Oh. Okay, I bought these pants on vacation, and I accidentally threw them in with all my colored clothes, and one, they look like they shrunk a ton. Like they were long on me, and now they look tiny. So I think, wait, do I even have, oh my god, I don't know. I'm not positive if we even have any bleach left, to be honest, because I think I remember using the last of it, but I'm gonna try to bleach these pants with my comforter because I need to wash my comforter anyways. So I'm gonna pray that we have bleach. Okay, we had a little bit of bleach left, so hopefully my pants turn more white because I think I ruined them.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, I am a piece of shit.
I keep getting distracted. I keep just like going on my phone, like completely forgetting about what I need to accomplish, and it's a problem. I'm pushing through even when things are hard. You gotta, I don't know, I'm gonna stop trying to be inspirational. Basically, my room is clean. I removed my rugs because I'm going to vacuum because there's like hair and stuff all over. If you're a girl and you have hair, or you're just a person with long hair, you know that hair gets like all over. I lose so much hair and I have to vacuum like twice a week so that I don't feel disgusting in my room. So, got the vacuum and we're gonna vacuum and then do like the last finishing touches of cleaning. I might clean my bathroom. But besides that, I'm pretty much done. All right, you guys, my room is pretty much clean. Obviously, like, my bed isn't made because my comforter is still in the dryer, but it looks a lot, I have literally been such a terrible YouTuber lately. I don't even know, like, I think I forgot how to film YouTube videos the correct way. This is literally like the last clip that I have filmed for this video. I think I just forgot about it. In all honesty, I think I assumed that this video would be trash and I was just gonna like discard all the footage and just like not even edit it or post it or anything. But I started editing it today actually, and I'm done. And I was like, oh my god, let me add some more clips in. There's no more clips. There's no more clips to add in. So I guess this is it for the video. I'm so freaking sorry. I literally, like, it's been like a week. My room is still pretty clean. This stuff was just like Valentine's Day little gifts because Valentine's Day was yesterday. But the room is still clean. I did end up cleaning my bathroom later. I think I cleaned my bathroom the next day. Please comment video ideas because I feel so lost right now in terms of YouTube. I feel like all I do anymore is day in the lives and like daily vlogs. And I know you guys love those, but I feel like they're so repetitive. Since I still live with my parents and like the only place that I really have in the house to film that's mine is my room, I feel like all my videos are just filmed in my room and I don't want this to get boring for you guys. So please give me video ideas. I am so open to trying new like outrageous things. Like if you guys want me to go like to Taco Bell and like film a video, like I am down. I just want Taco Bell right now. Oh. Anyways, if you guys are watching this on Sunday, the day that this video is uploaded, there's a very special podcast coming into the world in a few days. And if you're unaware, that podcast is mine. I will be dropping my podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, visually on YouTube, Thursday, February 23rd. It is my birthday, my 18th birthday, and we are coming in with a bang this year for my birthday. I'm literally so excited for the podcast, and I cannot wait for you guys to hear it and listen and see it, and I'm just over the moon excited. So be on the lookout, February 23rd. I know Outer Banks season 3 is coming out also that day. I know John B is so important. I know we love and miss him, and I can't wait to see his cute face either. But if you could spare me like approximately 45 minutes to listen to my first podcast, I would love you even more than I already do. Okay, I'm gonna let you go because this is a little long-winded, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye-bye.